What's up, big people? Coach Remy here. Today we are going to do the abs, the core. We will hit all the angles of the core. The workout will take 10 minutes and we work for 30 seconds, we rest 15 and then we move on to the next one. But the first minute it will be a bit of warm-up, mobility exercises. If you're new on this channel, make sure to subscribe because that will help me reach the amount of subscribers I need so that I can monetize this channel. And for the rest, if you know people are looking for good workouts, share with them. If you get them to join you on this challenge, then you will have a support group. Alright, so let's get right into our workout. Make sure your feet are a bit wider than shoulder width apart, and then hands here. Now we reach on the other diagonal to the toes, diagonal toe touches. This stretches the hamstrings and also works our core because we are going through the transverse thing. Alright, so next one, just slight bend in the knees and then just do some twist and you make sure that the head is stroking. You number one from end to start. If my heart is a mixtape, the mixtape is bound to blow. If my heart is a track, now you the play, rewind. If my heart is a track. Beautiful. So now lie supine on the mat, palms pressing down the same height as the shoulders and 90 degrees in the knees. Each time the knee touches the side, then you come up slowly in a controlled way. You go to the other side. Beautiful. Next one, we are going to plank toe touches. So we are in plank position, plank on the hands, and then each time you touch the toes. Let's go. Core tight. You number one from end to start. And to make it easy, make sure that the feet are shoulder width apart or wider. Beautiful. So now we lie on one side, one hand here, and then we are going to be doing side crunches. Let's go. So you touch, you tie with your elbow. And exhale when you're coming up. When you're contracting, you exhale. Okay, on the other side, slight bend in the knees and touching the temporal close to the ear. Exhale when you're coming up and inhale when going down. Beautiful. So now we are going to the bicycle, lying supine, legs straight, hands next to the ears, and each time, and you lift the legs from the ground. Each time you bring knee to elbow. Exhale when the elbow is going to the knee. Inhale when you're going back. Beautiful. So now we are bring your legs, bend your legs, bring them a bit closer, and then we're going to be sliding the hands on our thighs, shoulders flat on the ground, and then we come up. Coming up, we exhale at the top of the movement, at the end of the movement. Inhale when going down. Beautiful. So, next one, legs here, and then palms facing down. We go to this side, we touch down, we go to the other side. Lying twist. Rest. Wow, guys. Okay, so next one, plank, palm of the hand below our shoulders. Each time we do the T, then we go to plank, we do the T on the other side. Make sure the fingers are facing the direction where you are you're looking. Go tight. Beautiful. Now we're going to crossover sit-ups. So you come up, the elbow touches the opposite knee. Make sure your shoulders touch the ground, then you come from there. Beautiful. Next one we are going to the plank jack. So plank on handstands, we do the jack, go down, we do the jack. Core tight, lower back tight.
Sweet food,
Beautiful, guys. So we still have 2 exercises. Now we're going to the plank leg lift. So we are on the elbows and then we just lift the leg.
Nigeria, Egypt, Morocco, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Chadiona, Ethiopia, Tutuka, Wuyo, South Africa, Kona, Kona, Kona.
Beautiful. Wow guys, we're almost there. Now we are going to do the Russian twist. In 3, 2, 1. Let's finish strong. If you want to make it harder, you lift your legs from the ground. If you are a beginner, you can let your legs stay on the ground. Beautiful guys. Wow. Clap for yourselves. Day 23 done and sealed. We are doing good guys. Keep up. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this workout, give it a thumbs up. And if you know someone who's looking for a way to challenge themselves to work, to get fit without going out of the house, share this workout with them. So see you on day number 23. Yes guys.